Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to copy your PowerPoint background to another PowerPoint file. So what you're going to do is you open PowerPoint. To make it easier, I'm going to open two PowerPoint presentations just to get it ready when we already start copying. So here I have two blank presentations. So you can see that here. Now let me work on presentation one. So if I'd like to change the background for this, just click the slide, then click right click, then click format background. You can do solid fill, gradient fill, and then picture or text fill. So if you want to use picture, then you click this and then go to insert. Then use click from a file, or you can also choose stock images. Let's try to use stock images today. And it'll direct you to different images that you can choose from. Let's say I'm going a little bit cutesy, so I'm going to choose this one. Insert. Once it's there, it's going to be your background. Now, how would you like to copy that? So what you're going to do is go to another one. So let's do it. Here, let's click copy, right click and copy, and go to presentation 2 and control V, or you'll have to go to paste options. But if it doesn't work like it shows here, what you would want to do is go back here, and then you can click apply to all, by the way. And then once it's done, you go to presentation 2, then go to slide 1, and then format background. You right click and format background, then click picture or text fill, and then click clipboard. So it automatically changes the background. So you don't have to insert anymore since you already copied that. Rather than clicking paste or control V, you just do format background and then go to picture or texture fill and then clipboard. And the same background will show from presentation 1, which is this one, and presentation 2. So that's how easy it is to copy your background from one presentation to another. Let me know if you have further questions and I'll be happy to help you out. Bye for now.